Pinterest for beginners. I'm going to share with you in this video how to create a Pinterest pin using Canva. I'm logged in there here now, and then I'm going to go and sign up for free at Canva at canva.com. When you log in, you're going to choose the Pinterest pin and click. Now here on the left you have different themes to choose from, and those with a crown on is for those if you have a upgraded account, a pro account. Otherwise, if you click this, if you have a free account, you will have a watermark with Canva. This one doesn't have a crown. Or you can start from scratch adding an image and text. Here among my downloads, you can upload it. Now you can move this image around or enlarge it, or you can click the bin bit. I like this, and then you can move it around if you want. You can also add headlines and so on, but I thought I was just going to use the image here a bit, drag it out so the text appears. Editing, you just click on this share button to download it, and different other options as well. You can share on social media, but we're gonna download. I'm gonna download it to my desktop on my computer button, and it will within seconds start to download. Here you click here to upload your picture from the computer, or you can drag your image here, or you can save it from a URL if you have it on your website or blog, but I'm going to click here to locate it on my computer. The image on my computer and choose it and choose to upload it. And you can click this to edit the image, but now when it comes to the title, it should be something intriguing, that attention grabbing, that make people click. So we can write something like, "Are your memories safe?" Ascot Backup that I'm involved with has a tool that makes it possible to save everything on your computer, images and all kind of different things, files and everything. And description. Take the free tour on how time income while keeping your files safe, for instance. And then you can't have a regular long affiliate link. You have to have a domain name, otherwise Pinterest won't allow it to be saved. But I'm going to enter my shortened link here. like that, and then we're gonna, you should have several boards to into when you have quite a lot of pins. So I'm gonna share make money money online board, and then topics where put in your topics. Make money and then a comma sign, free got backup without any space in the tag with its like keywords. Easy money. We can have affiliate marketing. And then here we have more options also. If you allow people to comment, click on this, but otherwise I'm just checking so I haven't made any spells, but otherwise you just hit publish. If you would like to take the free tool with got backup, then you need to click the link below. And thanks so much for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video and want to watch more similar videos.